Machine learning is one of the most fascinating and powerful aspects of artificial intelligence. It's about enabling machines to learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions or predictions without being explicitly programmed. And instead of coding specific instructions for every task, we provide data and the system learns how to perform the task on its own. Think about how we as humans learn from experience. For example, when a child learns to identify animals, they observe features like size, shape, or color. Over time, they form a mental model that helps them recognize an animal they have never seen before. Machine learning works in a similar way, but with data instead of experiences. So how does it actually work? It starts with training data, which is essential past observations. This data includes two key components. The first one is features. These are the attributes of the thing being observed. For example, if you're trying to predict the house prices, features could be a square footage, the number of bedrooms, or the neighborhood. Second one is label. This is the value you want to predict. In our house price example, the label is the actual price of the house. In a mathematical terms, the features are often represented as X, and the label is represented as Y. Since most observations include features like X, usually the vector, or an array of several values like an x1, x2, or x3, then we need to find the relationship between the X, which is the features, and the Y, which is the label. That's when we use an algorithm. The algorithm's job is to study the data and figure out how the features influences the label. It generalizes this relationship into formulas or functions that can be used to make predictions. The specific algorithm we use depends on the problem we're solving, whether it's classifying images, predicting trends, or detecting frauds. The results of this process is a model. The model is essentially a program that contains the formula derived by the algorithm. In mathematical terms, it's presented like y f prime of the x. Here, f is the function that the model uses to calculate the label y from the features x. Once the model is trained, we move to the next step, inferencing. This is where the trained model starts to make predictions. You provide it with the new data or a set of features that the model hasn't seen before, and it's output as a prediction. For instance, if you input the square footage, number of bedrooms, and the other details of the house, the model will predict the price. Because this is a prediction and not an observed value, we represent it as y hat. Machine learning isn't about prediction. It's a powerful tool that adapts and improves over time. One of the most exciting aspects of machine learning, its ability to handle massive amounts of data and uncover patterns that might have not immediately observed by humans. For example, in healthcare, machine learning helps identify diseases from medical images. In finance, it predicts stock trends and detects fraudulent transactions. In everyday life, it's a powerful recommendation system like suggestions as show on Netflix or products on Amazon. In summary, machine learning is all about using data to train models that can make predictions and decisions. By analyzing patterns in the data, these systems become smarter and more efficient, enabling intelligent applications across almost every industry. It's the driving force behind so much of the technology we use every day.